Let's make a DIY Christmas gift box using balloons. Inflate 8 balloons to the same size. Tie them together in pairs. Group 4 balloons together to create 2 chains of balloons. Cross the 2 chains at their ends. Fold from the middle and tie the balloon. Tails in pairs to form the box body. Inflate 4 long balloons to the same length, leaving a length equivalent to 3 fingers at the tail. Tie them together in pairs. Cross and place them at the bottom of the box body. Twist and tie along the top of the box body. Use the remaining 4 balloon tails to tie at the midpoint. And wrap around to create the butterfly knot on the top of the gift box. Inflate 5-inch balloons to the same size and tie individually. These are used to decorate the connection points on the box body. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments about the new DIY ideas you have in mind that we can try.